Alright, I'm going to do a quick video about the OGIO Sled wheel replacement. I have an older model, but I bought the wheels off Amazon for a 9800 and they seem to work. It's an older one. It's got this shape like that. Anyways, but this is the same. They sell these to replace them with $1 or so on Amazon. There's a bunch of ones for on the warehouse that were returned, and I'm going to show you why. Because people don't want to do it. The only thing I found on the internet, there's nothing on OGIO's website, there's nothing, there's no videos, there's nothing for this. So if you're looking to change your wheels on your OGIO Sled Rig suitcase, you'll probably find this video. Here's what it is. Here's what you're going to get yourself into. So this is the new one. I don't have a video of changing it. This is how it goes on. This is how the old one looks, right? The new one you'll get comes with an axle screw. On the old one, this is a hollow shaft axle with a flare on the inside where it was riveted in. So this doesn't actually do anything. It's just a long rivet. On the inside, you're going to find the end of the rivet with a washer. Not only that, side, you have all this material in the way. Every bit of your inner lining will be blocking it, and this piece of plastic here will be blocking it. So what I had to do was cut out the inner lining with a knife, utility knife, and then cut that with a utility knife so that you have space to get the rivet out. Somebody else's post on Amazon said something about cutting the rivet off, so I tried that with a grinding wheel, and all it did was burn and smoke and make it feel like I was on fire with plastic. So what I ended up doing, I apologize about the quality of this video because I'm just doing it before I put the wheels on, and I'm going to pack so I'll leave town, is I took my metal cutoff wheel on my angle grinder and I put my goggles on and I cut here, cut through it here, and then I pulled a little bit out here, and then I was able to push in on the inner pin, the inner axle, using a screwdriver, a little hammer to knock it loose. And then inside the bag, I was able to pull the pin out. Use a pair of small channel locks. And that is how I did it. I'll take you to my garage where I can show you the bits and pieces. Okay, so here in the garage you can't smell it, but it smells like burnt plastic and metal because this is one of the pins. It's a solid pin with a flare on the inside because it's made to be riveted in. See? This is what's on the inside of the suitcase. There's no way to get that off without cutting it. You might be able to drill it, but you'll have to hold the inside. You'll have to put your drill inside the suitcase. And what I found is spinning parts in the suitcase cause fabric to get twisted up in there and just make you really mad. So I ended up cutting the whole liner out of the back of it because it was in the way. Don't really actually need it. Anyways, so that's your rivet. There will be a washer on there. You'll have to slide it out and put your new one in. The new one just goes through the screw, and you put your bolt on, your nut on the other end, and then you're done. So here's the old wheels. That's why I had to change them. The plastic, I broke that plastic off so I could still use it, and I thought it'd be okay. But then this one, the rubber came off, and that's where I'm at. So yeah, I cut through that. See how nice it is on this side? And this side is chopped. So that's how you replace your OGIO Rig Sled wheel. It's not fun. It's not easy. And a lot of people won't be able to do it. Sheer fact that you don't have tools. Grinding wheel, cut-off wheel, way you cut that. The axle spins while you're trying to do it. First one I was able to get it locked in and cut straight through it. The second one just kept spinning. I just kept there with my goggles on, working at it. So there you go.